Hey, we're Brett and Scott from MicrobeLife Hydroponics, and today we're going to talk to you about MicrobeLife Hydroponics Root Dip.
Root Dip is a blended product. It's got bacteria as well as fulvic and humic in it. So it's a combination of our humics and our Photo Plus and some additional strains of bacteria that specifically stimulate root production. So it can be used for popping seeds, for cloning, building root mass early on in a plant's growth, or really anytime you're just trying to build up root mass, whether you've had a plant that's underperforming or just had some root issues, you can use this to build it up. It can be used as a foliar spray or a drench.
Well, can you use this along with other cloning products?
You could, but there's probably no need to. This will do it. So as I mentioned, there's no hormones in here, no chemicals, but the bacteria that's in here naturally stimulates the plant to produce roots, to push root growth. Root Dip is a blend of bacteria and humic and fulvic acids. The bacteria contains some of our photosynthetic bacteria that's found in the Photosynthesis Plus, as well as some additional strains of bacteria that are specifically there to stimulate root growth. It's great for popping seeds, for cloning, for soaking roots before transplant, to prevent root shock so you don't get any loss in your plants. But really anytime you're trying to build up the root ball and build up the root mass. So you can use it along with the other products and any fertilizer regimen in the first few weeks of growth just to really get those nice strong roots started. But you can use it at any time in a plant's growth if you're trying to build up the roots a little bit bigger, make them a little stronger. So if you have a plant that's a little underperforming, maybe had some root disease issues, you can use this to rebuild those roots and really strengthen the plant. And as I mentioned, it's a blend of some of our photosynthetic bacteria, the Photosynthesis Plus, as well as those additional strains specifically for root development.
The Root Dip also has some other names.
If you're looking for this in the store, you may notice there's some slight differences in the name depending on where you live. We've seen this with a few of our other products that you might have come across. The national label is foliar spray and Root Dip. It can be used as a foliar spray, it can be used as a drench, but in California we're not allowed to have foliar spray on the label. So the California product is simply called Root Dip C, the C for California. There's no foliar in the name or in the directions. There's a Root Dip O for the Oregon label. The contents are the same. Same bacteria, same mycorrhiza, same humic and fulvic. It's only about labeling and what certain states require for labels and to get it registered. So the product inside is the same. You just see some differences in the labeling.
Well, there you have it, the MicrobeLife Hydroponics Foliar Spray and Root Dip.